Hey everybody, this is Handbag Hauler here, coming to you really quick here on my lunch break to do a little comparison unboxing type of deal. I got a gift in the mail today, and I'm excited because I didn't know it was coming, and now I want to switch out my bags because the gift I got is going to go with what I have on better. But anyway, real quick, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you are able to follow my videos. So today I carried my Flynn here. I did a review on it already, so if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link in the description below. And what came in the mail, dropped stuff all over the place. What came in the mail today is the small Tammy in the pebble grain, and this color is the pink, and I actually love it, even though it's smaller than my Flynn. I'm going to open it up really quick here. I love it. I love it. Even though it's smaller, I was looking for something a little smaller, and I got it. They got it for me. I'm so excited. This is for the days I don't feel like carrying the big bags around. So we all know, and it does have the normal Dooney setup. Yes, I have my two pockets right here. It has a zipper pocket, and then it has the slip pocket and a zipper pocket in the inside. And I love this bag too because it has the braided handles, and it has 4 feet on the bottom. And this is awesome. This is awesome. So just compare the size here. This is definitely smaller, and I'm okay with that. So I hope everything I got in my Flynn here is gonna fit into this. I got my 2 notepads, my big old wallet here, and makeup case and glasses, and I don't have anything in the top pockets here. But yeah, so I'm gonna switch that out and carry my small Tammy today. So I just want to come really quick. This is a really short video, you guys. I'm on my lunch break. I got the bag in, and I wanted to do this while I was waiting for my coworkers to come back with lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna switch out my bags and put everything in this because I think it goes a little bit better with what I have on. Absolutely, absolutely. So if you guys have one of these, let me know what you think about it. And of course, I am going to go and find me something cute to go on my handle. One of my handles. And I love this little pocket right here. This is awesome. And so I can put my cell phone in there. I would do it, but I'm recording on it right now. But yes, I love this. Slip it right down in there. I love it. I'm gonna love this. So thanks for watching, everybody, and remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.